But you're looking for someone like me.
Hello everyone, this is your author Sheila D, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell so that you will know when I upload any new videos. And I usually upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday morning at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy peach cobbler, and I got this recipe from my mom. Now you will need 2 cans of sliced peaches, the big cans, and you will need 2 eggs. You will need self-rising flour. You will need a regular sugar. You will need a stick of butter. You will need milk. You will need vanilla flavor, and you will need ground cinnamon. And here we go. Let's get started. So one of the first things you want to do is get you a bowl, okay? And then I usually get the little foil pans with the lids. You can use whatever dish you have. And you're going to put the stick of butter in the foil pan, or whatever dish you're using, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and put that in the oven. That has to melt. So while we're waiting for that to melt, I'm going to go ahead. I have my measuring cup. So in the measuring cup, you want to put 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Only 3/4. And yes, I measure for this because I don't want to mess it up. Okay. Then you want to put 1 cup of sugar. Regular white sugar. And at this time, I'll go ahead and put in the flavor. You might want to put in like 1 tablespoon. I don't really measure this. I just kind of pour till I think it's enough. And then you want to sprinkle maybe 2 dashes of ground cinnamon. I don't really measure this either. I just kind of pour until I think it's enough. Then you want to put in your 2 eggs. You try to do that without putting shells in it, and then I go and drop a shell in it, but I got it. 2 eggs. And what I like about this recipe is you don't really need a mixer. That's the word I'm looking for. You don't need any of that. You just do it with your hand. I take this size spoon and you want to add in 1/3 cup of milk. 1/3. And like I said, if you're making this for a bigger group, a crowd of people, or you have a larger family, you just want to double this recipe. You just mix until you get it all mixed up. Okay, and then that mixture is mixed up pretty well, and that's what it looks like. This is when you want to go ahead and open your can of peaches. And guys, I'm going to tell you, I use Del Monte because if you use any other kind of peaches, you will be able to tell the difference. It's not the same, trust me. So this is why I stick with Del Monte, which is what my mom used. So you want to go ahead and open the cans now. And at this point, you want to drain the juice off of the peaches. Oh guys, and I forgot to tell you, when you're getting out your ingredients, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. That's what you're going to cook this on. Okay, the butter should have melted now. This is what it looks like. But I think we can get it to melt before I actually put the batter in. Okay, back to the batter. I'm just gonna stir it up again and make sure you kind of got all the little flour lumps out of it. flour lumps, sugar lumps, whatever lumps. Okay, so what you do now is you just literally pour the batter on top of, or in the pan, which kind of mixes it all with the butter that you previously melted. Like I said, guys, this is really quick and easy. It's not quite from scratch, but I tell you, it does taste homemade. It's what you make it. Okay, so I got all of that. Now at this point, you just take the can of peaches, and of course you want to make sure your hands are washed at all times, guys. So you go ahead and take the peaches out of the can, and you just kind of plop them in there, or plop, whatever the word is. I usually get the corners. That's what I work on first, kind of like around the outside first. You just kind of drop the peaches in the batter, as you can see. That's what I'm doing. And the cool thing about this recipe is when you put this in the oven, you know, the batter or the dough or whatever you want to word it, the breading, it cooks all around the peaches, which makes it delicious. This is before I put it in the oven, and I will show you the finished product after. But anyway, you let it cook on 350 for like 45 minutes. Usually around 45 minutes I'll check it, and if it's not golden brown like I want it, I'll leave it for another 15 minutes. So anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour is how long I cook mine. Now, of course, I think if you make this bigger, I think it may still be the same time, but I'm not sure. But I will show you the finished product. And this is the finished product. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, share back down below on what you think of this recipe. It's quick and easy. And let me know of any recipes that you may have and want to share. Also, you're welcome to share this video, but most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a blessed day.